Hello everyone, we would like to share the work that we finished at MPX Auto Workshop in Carlton, Sydney, New South Wales. And this car is LEXUS 2004 RX330 generation 2004 to 2009. So this one is about the previous system with the LEXUS screen navigation thing, and at this moment it's already been replaced and upgraded with the full premium setup, 9-inch Apple Carplay, Android Auto wireless for both of them. And also it comes with the new upgrade Full HD anti-glare and Super Night Vision reverse camera that will fit centralized at the back the tailgate, so it helps the owner see very center image when she reverse the car. And everything is fitted just like factory fit, and it looks like factory born with the whole system here. And yeah, now just have a look at the reverse camera. So assuming that we are using the Apple CarPlay system in the front, and then you put the reverse, and then it will turn on the camera at the back end, which have to see very clear the bumper and the thing super clear at the back end. Now the thing will come back the front application very quickly when we put the gear stick forward, and backward you see the camera right away, and then you see the Apple CarPlay again very quickly. So steering wheel control all connected to the new system, and also you can control the volume from the factory volume here, and also from the new system with the steering wheel control button over here. We have two USB port fit hidden inside the glove box, and yep, with the premium setups here, you're looking for a very fast and smooth wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto running. And one of the more thing that we want to introduce is about how the climate control is working in this car. You can see that at this moment the climate control is fully controlled on the new touch screen here, and we can select all the option from this touch screen, easy to control. And if you want to turn off, you can turn off from here. Just simply press the auto button here, and it will come up with the climate control on the screen. That's so easy to use, and after a very short time the climate control will turn back to this Apple CarPlay or other application running in the front. So yes, LEXUS RX330 2005 model, 9-inch premium setup, and we are doing another video for Android Auto very soon in this car. And if you want to see, just check out in our YouTube channel. Thanks again, and we'll see you on the next one.